Cryptocurrencies have been on the rise for a long time now. It is one of the best investing opportunities out there.
If what these guys are saying is true, this is going to be the best investment of my life.
A lot of cryptocurrencies are on the market right now, but there are some important ones that you don't want to miss out on. So in today's video, we'll take a look at 3 cryptocurrencies that you don't want to miss out on in 2021. Hey, welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is the channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent through cryptocurrency trading and investing. The FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early is our focus. We will share our views on Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies, interesting stocks, and online money makers. Number 1. Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that fuels the Polygon network. A multi-chain scaling solution for Ethereum, Matic Network, now Polygon, is the ultimate framework aimed at increasing interoperability between the Ethereum blockchain and compatible networks. It has witnessed a substantial rise in traffic recently. According to digitalcoinprice.com, Matic could be a profitable investment in 2021 and beyond. According to the company's pricing forecast, Matic tokens might reach $3.05 in 2021. $5.5 in 2025, and $9.41 in 2028. Since February, Polygon's market cap has surged more than tenfold because of its increased adoption of its blockchain by gaming and non-fungible assets, NFTs, and DeFi, decentralized finance. Polygon, the local crypto startup, has joined the Bitwise 10 Large Cap Crypto Index, BitX, which tracks and weighs the performance of the top 10 crypto assets based on free float market capitalization. A massive 26.7% spike in the value of its native token Matic has been powering it since the beginning of 2021. Polygon, an Indian origin network, was built by 4 software engineers, Janti Kanani, Sandeep Nawal, Anurag Arjan, and Mihailo Jelic. The startup is based in Mumbai. Its founders have high intentions to make it the 3rd largest crypto project after Bitcoin and Ethereum, even though it is already among the top 20 cryptocurrencies. The current price of this coin is $1.22 as of June 2021. Over the last year, the coin has increased by over 10,000% and over 125% in just 1 month. The significant growth of Polygon can be attributed to several factors. It includes the growing hype around Polygon, Google BigQuery announcement, and Mark Cuban's investment. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, the Matic Polygon coin is unaffected by high transaction fees due to the congestion. It's an open-source project that gives developers the tools they need to build a standalone network or a secure sidechain utilizing smart contracts and the Ethereum network security. The market value of Polygon, which was founded by 3 Indians, topped $10 billion in the first week of June. With a market capitalization of $7 billion, it is currently among the top 20 crypto tokens in the world, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The Polygon currency was first traded in March by Coinbase, a Nasdaq-listed corporation. Polygon is a set of side roads that Ethereum developers can use to build faster and cheaper apps on the Ethereum network. It's a priceless network. The secret to making it big in the crypto market right now is to invest in the most technically advanced cryptocurrencies with the highest intrinsic value applications. The Indian origin cryptocurrency, Polygon, has swiftly risen in popularity. It has also partnered with a number of government-backed blockchain projects to help scale COVID-19 data. Over 400 apps, 76 million transactions, and approximately 790,000 unique users have used its scalability solutions. Its token, Matic, is traded on a number of major cryptocurrency exchanges, and also investors have taken a more extensive interest in the currency than ever before. Number 2. Solana, SOL. Solana is a blockchain network that focuses on fast throughput and high transactions. To boost speed, it employs a one-of-a-kind approach to transaction ordering. Users can use SOL, the network's native cryptocurrency, to pay transaction fees and interact with smart contracts. Scalability is one of the most difficult aspects of blockchain technology to overcome. As these networks expand, they frequently encounter transaction speed and confirmation time constraints. Solana attempts to address these issues while maintaining security and decentralization. The Solana blockchain, founded in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko from Solana Labs, uses a new transaction verification method. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other projects suffer from scalability and speed issues. Using a proof of history (POH) method, the Solana blockchain can handle thousands of transactions per second. Solana is a 3rd-generation proof-of-stake blockchain. It has built a one-of-a-kind method for determining the time of a transaction known as proof of history. For cryptocurrencies, keeping track of transaction sequence is crucial. Bitcoin does this by grouping transactions into blocks that are linked by a single timestamp. Each node must validate these blocks in agreement with other nodes. This technique adds a substantial amount of time for nodes across the network to confirm a block. Solana, on the other hand, adopts a unique approach. The SHA-256 hash algorithm is used to hash all Solana events and transactions. This function takes an input and generates a one-of-a-kind output that is nearly impossible to predict. Solana takes the output of a transaction and uses it as the input for the next hash. The order of the transactions is now inbuilt into the hashed output. This hashing technique results in a long, uninterrupted chain of hashed transactions. Without using a traditional timestamp, this feature creates a clear, verifiable order of transactions that a validator adds to a block. Hashing also requires a certain amount of time to complete, meaning validators can easily verify how much time has passed. It's important to understand that proof of history is not a consensus mechanism. It is instead a way of improving the time spent confirming the order of transactions. When combined with proof of stake, selecting the next validator for a block is much easier. Nodes need less time to validate the order of transactions, meaning the network chooses a new validator quicker. SOL token. SOL is the native cryptocurrency of Solana, and it works as a utility token. When making transfers or engaging with smart contracts, users will need SOL to pay transaction fees. As part of its deflationary strategy, the network burns SOL. Holders of SOLs can also serve as network validators. Solana, like Ethereum, allows developers to establish smart contracts and blockchain-based projects. As a relatively new project, Solana has delivered on its promises of speed and scalability. Its token price has also performed well, piquing the interest of investors. Nevertheless, the network's acceptance and usage are still in their early stages. As of June 21st, Solana has a market capitalization of $7.62 billion, and one SOL trades for $27.96. Number 3. Cardano ADA. Cardano is the third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain platform that aims to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work (POW) networks. The infrastructure load of rising expenses, energy utilization, and slow transaction times limit scalability, interoperability, and sustainability for POW networks like Ethereum. The relevance of these issues to blockchain networks was recognized by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of the proof-of-work (POW) blockchain Ethereum. He created Cardano and its principal cryptocurrency ADA in 2015 and launched the platform and the ADA token in 2017. The Cardano platform runs on the Ouroboros consensus protocol. Cardano's Ouroboros protocol was the first POS system that was not only proven to be secure, but was also the first to be informed by scholarly academic research. The research-based framework anchors each development phase or era in the Cardano roadmap, incorporating peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to progress towards and achieve milestones related to the future directions of the blockchain network and the ADA token's use applications. Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum, began the development of Cardano in 2015 and launched the platform in 2017. Cardano has positioned itself as a cryptocurrency that can be used instead of Ethereum. Both platforms are used for similar applications such as smart contracts and have the same goal of creating a decentralized and connected system. Cardano sees itself as a more advanced version of Ethereum, claiming third-generation credentials above Ethereum's second-generation credentials. The blockchain platform also aims to provide banking services to the world's unbanked. Identity management and traceability are two of Cardano's key applications. The former can be used to streamline and simplify operations that involve data collection from numerous sources. The latter can be used to trace and audit a product's manufacturing processes from start to end, potentially eliminating the counterfeit products market. Cardano has a strong track record and a long-term strategy for its blockchain and coin. Cardano's blockchain intends to expand beyond coins into a control layer that will provide services absent in the cryptocurrency ecosystem today. Cardano remains a solid competitor to become one of the best altcoins for the rest of this year. It is currently a very popular cryptocurrency among many in the crypto space due to its large market cap. Many market participants now expect ADA to rise considerably above $2 in the following months. As of June 21st, Cardano has a market capitalization of $36.56 billion, and one ADA trades for $1.14. Know that prices of cryptocurrency frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own wide spectrum research. So that's it for the video, guys. If you found the video informative, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See y'all in the next video.